is Sunday and we have the need for speed on this channel as we welcome you to Speedy Sunday at Church Fenton. And the departure of 150-269 with the 0929 Northern service from York through to Sheffield. Out next to depart will be the 0933 Northern service from York through to Blackpool North. And it's 195-114. Next up to fly through the station will be 2 Tango 9 from Leeds through to Blackpool North, sorry, York. (195-118). Out next to depart will be 155-344 with the slightly delayed 0944 Northern service from Bridlington through to York. Next line through the station for cross country 221110, working 1 Victor 52 from Edinburgh Waverley through to Cheltenham Spa. Next to arrive at the station, the 0958 Northern service from York through to Bridlington. Looks like 158782. And next out to depart 195131. Working the delayed 0946 Northern service of Blackpool North through to York. We'll see him in a minute. Next up fast for TPE 9 Mike 9 from Newcastle through to Liverpool Live Street, which is 802211. I'm next flying through the station for TPE 2U42 from York through to Manchester Piccadilly. (185-136). Trundling through the station, ON32 from Leeds Barn Road through to Tyne SS, and that'll be 66585. I'm next to pass fast for Trainspotting Express 9 Echo 8 from Liverpool Lime Street through to Newcastle, running about 20 minutes late. And that'll be 8:02.201. Up next to roll on through the station, 2 Tango 10 for Northern. It's going from York through to Leeds. And it's 195.118. Next passing through the station, 2U39. Going from Manchester Piccadilly to York for Trainspotting Express, and that's 185.131 and 185.128. Next passing through for cross country. (220.032) and 220.028. 1 Sierra 35 from Birmingham New Street through to Edinburgh Waverley. Up next for Trainspotting Express, 1P66 from Redcar Central through to Manchester Victoria. It's going to be 185.139 and 189.5.144. Next around the corner for TPE, 1P67 from Manchester Victoria to Redcar Central. (185.120) and 185.124. And here comes our train to take us away, the 10:34 Northern service. Excuse me. From York to Blackpool North. And that's 195.131. And that's going to bring Speedy Sunday to an end. We'll see you tomorrow for Mainline Monday. Wherever Mainline Monday may be from. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.